Life is like a Rubik's Cube that I have to solve. A good puzzle that you need to try until you make it. Adulthood and responsibilities that you need to take charge of. Sometimes unconsciously having the need to be in a rush in this fast-paced busy world. Not until K-Spirit came to life. It taught me that I can actually dance into a lot of things that I never thought I'd be capable of doing. It gave me the energy to do a lot of things and genuinely enjoy them. Let me show you my short cover of a K-pop song Rush Hour by Crush featuring J-Hope.
Hey ladies, gentlemen, do what you wanna do, baby. Ow, ow. Let's go. 그러니까 너는 헤비 합쳐서 빅빅 다시 clack clack clap in the hits 하나 둘 모여 멋진 perfect jam. Get up, get up. 그러니까 너는 헤비 합쳐서 빅빅 따라해 어때 생각보다.
It is also the K-Spirit that made me do music. I learned how to do art as well, and these are some of my works. Hallyu has become a creative outlet that led to victories. Also, the K-foods that I always buy not only for my guts, but for my soul. How much more can this K-spirit be expressed? Let's make a countdown, shall we? Look at the community of people coming together to genuinely enjoy and have fun together. A spirit of positive bilateral relations, joy, warmth, and togetherness. Therefore, K-Spirit is the final algorithm and Rubik's Cube that makes you and me complete. Because the K-Spirit is alive, all of us are alive.